Hi, my name is Gian and welcome to my vlog. If you haven't liked my video yet, I know you're not done watching it, but I'd really appreciate it if you click on the like button and also the subscribe button. And if you really like my content, you can share it as well. Thank you. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of my Instax mini link. I think this is the latest model for the for Instax. I used to have my Instax Share SP2, but this one is already broken. I don't know what happened. I don't know why it's broken. I tried to charge it over and over again, but I'm still getting the same result. So yeah, and I had plenty of film, so I just ended up buying this Instax mini link, which is in pink. This one, I bought this from One Gadget, I think. I did the purchase via Shopee, and the Instax is $6,299. Yeah, that's $6,299. That's how much I paid for this thing. And for this one, I don't know, I forgot already. So this is the box here. It says smartphone printer for use with high quality credit card sized Instax mini film only. High picture quality and simple operation with an automatic film feed. Print easily with a bespoke app. Transfer pictures easily with Bluetooth connectivity. So you'd have to download the Instax app to be able to print. And unlike this SP2, you don't need internet to be able to print your pictures. So we have this Fujifilm information and warranty card, the charging cable, and here's our Instax. This one, I don't really read it. I won't really read this. I've got plenty of cables similar to this. I think this is a Type-C. So yeah, I got plenty of Type-C chargers. Let's open this. Here we go. Let's compare the size. You can see the size. The SP2 is taller by a few centimeters. And let's look at the, what do you call this one? The width. For the width, yeah, SP2 is also bigger. And look at this, the depth. This is still bigger. There's a button here. I just pushed it to allow me to open this. And let's see. Put in the cartridge. Oh, okay. So you saw the light. This one here is the charger. That's the on button. Papaaya doon ka ito.
Ano ka? Ma, anak ko na natin na balo. Sayang.
Ano mo?
Ang dati ko na balo.
Ay, dito. Sabot na tinaan. I've already downloaded the Instax mini link app, so we're gonna click on it. Then we are gonna click allow only while using, allow again. Of course I don't read these things, and then just scroll down, then I agree to this content. Yeah, new frames added, okay. By switching the printer's orientation. The apps mode can be changed by switching the printer's orientation between vertical and horizontal. Simple print, video print, Instax camera, party print, match test, frame print. I don't know what those are. You can print by swiping upward on the frame. You can print the last photo you printed again by turning the printer upside down. Whoa, this is okay. I understood. Must be configured. Okay, so we're now going to configure the Bluetooth connection. We'll set it. Click on connect. Pair. Okay. Bluetooth is on, device is connected. Close. Now we're going to look for I really just want to do a simple print, and I'm going to look for a picture. This one seems nice. We're gonna try to print this one. I sometimes would like to correct the brightness, because sometimes the other printer, my SP2, used to print really dark pictures, so it really helped if I brighten it a bit. So now I'm putting in that, and then let's see. There's a filter, non-monochrome, this is sepia, this is auto. I think I'll just use auto instead, and okay, let's try printing. Okay, there goes. Taking it off, it's blank. Of course, we have to shake, shake, shake. Wait a few minutes for it to develop. Let's see how many minutes it would take for this to develop. I switched on the timer. So it took about a full minute for it to be completely developed. So that's it, guys. This is the final Instax print. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share, and subscribe to my video. I only have 195 subscribers and I really need 1,000 to start earning money. So please help me earn money. Bye bye!